So today is a very windy day. It has been sporadically raining. So on and on, a very boring day. So looking at the weather like this, all I can think of making right now is a very comforting dal khichdi. And that's something which I can eat, on a warm day, on a cold day, on a rainy day. It's my comfort food. So let me take you on a journey of my comfort food. And before we go through the recipe, don't forget to give me a like, a comment down below, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. So let's get khichdi cooking. So to make a khichdi, you can choose between a basmati rice or any short grain rice. I decided to go with jasmine rice. I've taken moong dal because this is a dal which goes for all the three types of doshas. I took 1 cup of jasmine rice and half a cup of the moong dal or split mung beans. Washed it really well. It's really a good practice to wash your rice and lentils, and then I soaked it for a couple of minutes before cooking it. You can see how it looks like after it has been soaked. You can take any vegetables of your choice. I have taken these over here. I am cooking this without onion and garlic. Also some frozen green peas. In a pan, I've added around 2 to 3 tablespoons oil, some cumin seeds and hing for digestion. 1 dried red chili. This is optional completely. Now gone ahead and added the julienne ginger, and we'll be cooking this for a couple of minutes. Added the split green chili and all the other vegetables. Now you can choose any vegetable of your choice. You can also go ahead and add onion and garlic. I've added now 2 teaspoons of Himalayan salt and tomatoes. Some turmeric powder, some cumin powder, some coriander powder, and a little bit of red chili powder. Go ahead and mix this really well and cook it for a couple of minutes before adding the rice and the lentils. Now go ahead and add the soaked rice and lentils without the water. Mix it well and then let all the spices get mixed with the rice and the lentils. This process is very important. You can either cook this in a pan or a pressure cooker. I've now added 1 cup of water, another cup of water. In all, total, I have added 3 cups of water. Bring it to a good boil and then let this simmer with a lid on top of it for a good 15 minutes. In another separate pan, take ghee, some cumin seeds, some more ginger for garnishing because it looks nice and it tastes good, and 1 dried red chili. Again, that's optional. It's almost 15 to 20 minutes. You can now see that your khichdi is almost cooked. I've added a little more water because I realized that my khichdi was a little too dense, and some coriander leaves, and now I've added the tempering on top of it. That's it, your khichdi is done. So I hope you liked the recipe of the khichdi using an unusual choice of rice, but I love it with this combination with some fries and some pickle and the tadka on top. I'm gonna enjoy this rice while looking at the rain and the wind outside. I hope you all like this video. Till I see you all again with another video. Take care and have a great day. Bye.